You've gotten comfortable factorizing expressions like x squared plus 5x plus 6, but what happens when a number appears in front of that x squared? Suddenly, it's 3x squared plus 8x plus 4, and your old tricks don't work. This is the next level in algebra, the non-monic trinomial. The reason the old method fails is that the middle term is no longer a simple sum. It's a complex mix of all the numbers in the brackets. To crack it, you need a new toolkit. There are two main strategies: decomposition, also known as the AC method, and the visual cross method. Decomposition is your reliable step-by-step guide. Let's take 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. First, you multiply a and c, that's the 2 and the 3, to get a master product of 6. Now, find two numbers that multiply to 6 and add to the middle term, 7. That's easy, 6 and 1. Here's the key step. You rewrite or decompose the middle term using those numbers. So 7x becomes 6x plus x. Your expression is now 4 terms, 2x squared plus 6x plus x plus 3. From here, you just factor by grouping, a skill you already have. You'll end up with two neat brackets, 2x plus 1 times x plus 3. If you're more of a visual thinker and have strong number sense, you might prefer the cross method. This is a faster trial and error approach. You list the factors of the first term and the last term, multiply them diagonally, and see if they add up to the middle term. It takes practice, but it can be a real time saver. So, which one do you choose? If the numbers are big or have lots of factors, stick with the certainty of decomposition. If the numbers are small and you feel confident, give the cross method a shot. But no matter which method you use, always remember the golden rule. Check for a common factor first. It can turn a difficult problem into an easy one. Master this, and you've truly leveled up your algebra game.